Good day and welcome to Close Attention once again. We want to quickly do this problem here. So for X, it's a very much simple one. The reason why we're doing this problem is that those people who will be upgrading their mathematics or rewriting, they will be able to get some help and know how to do these things. Because remember, if you are writing mathematics, more especially in grade 12, you must make sure that the question one, which includes these things of solving for x and simultaneously, you must make sure that you get total on question one. It's a must so that you can boost your marks going forward to the next questions, which are some of them are more difficult. So trigonometry and the question one in mathematics, you must make sure that you always get total. So let's quickly do this one. I'll keep following our page, which is Close Attention, for more. Okay, now let us quickly go to this problem. Is x squared plus 9x plus 14, it is equal to 0. So first of all, we're gonna have to check it. We've got our 9x and 14. These are our key areas we will have to look at. So because you have 9 and 14, obviously you must think of the factors now. You have 9 and 14. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, and 7 multiplied by 2, it is equal to 14, meaning that we got now our factors. We're going to use 2 and 7. Why? Because 2 plus 7 is going to be 9, and then 2 multiplied by 7 is going to be 14. That's how you do these things. Let us quickly move on now and start. Going to be gonna make our bracket here, which is open bracket, and x. I'm gonna have x plus 7 close bracket, open bracket again. Gonna have x plus 2, which are all equal to 0. Okay, we've got x plus 7 into x plus 2. All right, so this one is very much simple. Okay, now here we have got x plus 7 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So first of all, we can start with x plus 7. It's gonna be x plus 7 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, you know, when you move a number from the left hand side to the right, or when a number jumps the equal sign, it changes the sign. Okay, we've got positive 7 here, x plus 7. So we're going to take and make x subject to the formula, taking 7 to the other side of the equal sign. Alright, it's going to change sign and be negative. So we're going to have x, it is equal to negative 7, or also here we've got x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we're going to make x subject of the formula, and then we take 2 to that side of the equal sign. So it's going to be x equals to negative 7, or x, it is equal to negative 2. Okay, that's it. We've got our x here, and then the second x that side. Okay, if you can look here, we've started here where there is x squared plus 9x plus 14 equals to 0. Here, this one is very much simple because we've got the positive signs here, the positive signs only. So we just try to get the factors, which is 7 and 2. The reason why we took 2 and 7 is because we've got 9 here and 14. 7 plus 2, it is equal to 9. 7 multiplied by 2, it is equal to 14. Okay, and then x, obviously, because we have x, it's going to be x and x, which is going to be x multiplied by x. Then we'll get our x squared, and then we got x multiplied by 2, it's going to be 2x. 7 multiplied by x is going to be 7x. Then 2x plus 7x is going to be 9x. Then we'll have 7 multiplied by 2 is going to be 14. When we remove the brackets, here it's going to be left with the x plus 7 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then all you have to do is to make x subject of the formula by taking 7 to that side of the equation, making x subject of the formula by taking 2 to that side of the equation. 7 here, it is in a positive sign. Now we got x is equal to negative 7 because here x was positive, sorry, 7 was positive. Then we take it to that side of the equation. Obviously, it's going to change the sign and be negative. So it's going to be x equals negative. If also here we've got x and 2, which is positive, then we take 2 to the right side, jumping the equal sign, also changing the sign to negative. X equals to negative 2. Thank you very much. Keep following our page for more. Those who are rewriting and upgrading, please keep on following us. We're going to be sharing lots of videos. Thank you.